Okay, so we have 4 blue bunny headbands, which can be used for Easter. You can be used for Halloween, or just if a kid wants to just wear a cute little bunny ear headband. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 yellow headbands that were $1 each. We have 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 pink headbands. Just thrown in the dumpsters. Okay. 1 second. And let me tell you, I have a ton of this stuff. This table is full, and I have a whole other table that is full. And I will be doing mystery boxes for the decor, not for the baskets, because they won't fit in any boxes. But stay tuned for the decor part of the video, because I will be doing mystery boxes. Just want to let you know, because I know I said mystery boxes at the end of my last JoAnn haul. I still do have mystery boxes for JoAnn. If you're interested in the JoAnn mystery boxes, I am going to link that video to this video. So mystery boxes, $35 for the JoAnn Easter decor and spring decor. Same with these mystery boxes. We have all of these Happy Easter buckets. So all of those, 3 pink, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 yellow, 1 purple, 3 white, well, 2 more yellow, and a soccer bucket. Then we have all of these wicker baskets back here. Wicker Easter baskets to make your own. Then we have this cute little tutu basket. Tutu Easter basket. Tutu cute. So that one was in there. And then we have all of these pre-made Easter baskets. Oh my goodness. I think it's about 20 Easter baskets. So we have 2 with the earring sets for little girls and little candy here. Those are the $5 baskets. I said I was going to toss these in a bag. Get them out of the way and also put away. And then we have 2 of these with this tutu wristband. That would be cute with that little tutu basket. So we have 2 of those. Then we have, I think we have 2 of these with these crown, and the comb for your hair, and then these little Smarty candies. We have this kind with the bubbles. Here's the other one with this comb here. And then we have, I think we have 2 of these with this Let's Hang Out ball. These were $10. These baskets were $10. And we have little boy baskets with the cars in it. Another little boy basket with spinning tops. We have the little girl basket with a little carrying purse and stickers. We have one back here with a beauty set in it. These are the $10 baskets. Here's the other ball, let's hang out basket. We have a unicorn ball basket. We have 3 of these little baby doll with accessories for the baby doll. 3 of those. And then we have 3 of these with this little girl power bag, carrying bag with all kind of goodies in there, bubbles and I don't know what those are. It says hoop, but I'm not sure what they are. So yeah, all kinds of goodie Easter baskets over here. I'm going to switch to the decor section. Okay, over here is the decor section. So I'm going to start right here with this, all of these, what do you call these? Garland. So we have, yes, I separated them by color. So we have 4 of these blue garland that has little bunnies on them. So 4 blue tinsel garland. We have 2, 4, 6, no, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow. It has little yellow chicks on them. Yellow tinsel garland. That's cool. It was $1. That's not bad. And then we have green. So we have 5 green garland with eggs on them. And then we have 2 of the pink garland with little bunnies on them. So those are cute. Cute, cute, cute. So those will go in the mystery boxes because they're able to fit in there. So great items for mystery boxes. If I can get over here, I have to move these out of the way now. So those are the garland. And then over here, oh my goodness. I'm going to start over here. We have some, we lost a little chick right here. We have some ceramic paint sets. We have 2 of those. I'm also going to try to start tossing. So 2 ceramic paint sets. Those were $1 each. We have bunny mask kits. We have 3 of those. And then we have a felt craft bunny kit. We only have 1 of those. And there was, I was at that dumpster for about 30 minutes. There was so much stuff in that dumpster. And as you can see, it was 2 doors on top of the dumpster. So I had to maneuver through all of that. And I had somebody watching me. But I didn't care. We have more garland with the Easter eggs. These are, I think, like, I can't tell you what material, but so we have 1 like this, and then we have 3 with the little chick in the Easter eggs. So those will go in mystery boxes. Mystery boxes for the Easter decor. Also, JoAnn mystery boxes, $35. Email me if you would like an Easter mystery box. I mean, these things can be used year-round, like the stuffed animals and things like that. Anytime, give a kid any of these stuffed animals. I don't know what in the bunny rabbit am I going to do with all of this stuff, but I'm going to figure it out. I am going to figure it out. It will go to good homes. Some will go to my grandkids. Yeah, kids I know. Mystery boxes, things of that nature. But I do want to thank one of my subscribers, Paula Waldner. Paula Waldner is a great supporter of the dumpster diving community. She purchases items. She purchases mystery boxes. I send her mystery boxes just for the babies. And so she is a great supporter. Thank you, Paula. Thank you for always supporting this channel. Yes, I really do appreciate you. You are a wonderful subscriber. And I know that you are a wonderful subscriber to a lot of other dumpster diving channels. So thank you. Okay, back to this. We have this little bunny. This little plush animal. He was $1. We have one of these little plush animals who just bunnies just laying down. And then we have 3 of this. I think that's like a little monkey. These were $5. Aren't they cute? And they are all so super, super soft. I'm so glad I saved this stuff. So we have 2 of these little pink plush bunnies. Look at that. Little bunny ears. Oh my goodness. And we have 3 of these little ducks. Oh my goodness. These things are super, super soft. And then these are lambs. I'm assuming we have, tons of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6. I believe about 7 of these lambs right here. And then this is just some decor. Yep, a hanging decor with bunny ears and little feet. Cute little decor. And then we have all of these little chicks, and I want to say they're mice. So they're hopping animals. See that? These little chicks were falling all out of my car, okay? My car was stuffed. I think I'm going to insert the clip with my car just super, super stuffed. I opened the door and little chicks just falling everywhere. I was laughing myself off. No, so we have a ton of these little chicks and these little mice. I want to say they are mice, right? Little mice. Yeah, so those. And then we have some that light up. Squishy, light up. Yep, they light up. Too bad you gotta beat them to light up, but and then but they're squishy. So we have 5 of the yellow and then 1 blue one. So we have all of those. Then we have these solar dance bunnies right here. So 8 of those, 2, 4, 6, 8 of the bunnies. Then we have the little chicks here. Solar dancer. We have 2, 4, 6, 7 of those. And then we have these Easter bunnies. So these hanging Easter bunnies. They have wire on the back of them. So we have a ton of those. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of those Easter bunnies there. And we have 3 of these hanging Easter eggs. So pretty. A ton of those. And then all the candy that I got, there was a bag full of candy. And those bags were stuffed up under that door, so I could barely pull those bags out. I had to pull a lot of stuff out of the bags before I could even get the bag small enough to pull out. But I didn't grab a lot of candy because I just couldn't take all of that candy. But I do have 4 milk chocolate Easter bunnies, and these are the Palmer. So 4 solid milk chocolate Easter bunnies, and then I have 1 carrot patch Easter bunny. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the Easter Bunny story. Has a little Easter Bunny in it with the little Easter Bunny story. So, and then I have these gum mini eggs. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of those. I did grab more of those because they won't melt or anything like that. Then we have 3 bags of these candy chicks. So that'll be cool. And then I thought I grabbed 2, but 1 of these carrot powder candy. And then I have 4 of these little box of duck chicks and bunnies. And that is all of the Easter haul. So like I said, I have their entire, what was left over from Easter, because I'm pretty sure not very many people bought very much stuff for Easter. So they just tossed it out, and I'm glad that I could have saved this. Like I said, I don't know what in the hopping bunny I'm going to do with all of this stuff. But once I started, you know, when you obsessed with dumpster diving, when you grab and just keep grabbing and keep grabbing. I couldn't stop grabbing because I just could not let that stuff go to the landfill. Could not let this stuff go to waste. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting on my videos. I love talking to you down in the comment section. If you're new here and you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn that notification bell on so you will know when I post another awesome, amazing videos. We have some amazing videos coming up. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know how you like the haul. Email me if you would like a mystery box. Again, thank you for watching. Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers. Yes, today is Mother's Day, and I'm doing this video on Mother's Day because this is what I enjoy. So, happy Mother's Day to everyone, all of the mothers. Thank you for watching. See y'all on the next dive.